Kakunhun ilakai kriket jongka Umling XI Youth Club mentakasngi kalayo sendon banra ya kanam kum kaladu hakalempung ilakai kriket kabalatip kum ka Independence Cup T20 Cricket Championship aja ka khandai daga pelimno kakunhun ilakai jongka Byrnihat Amjok Youth Club dan nyogu wicket ya kane kalempung ilakai kriket kabakhamhe na kiwe kilempung ilakai kriket la pelong daga Friends Forever Youth Club Byrnihat hakabala pelong ru yaka final mentakasngi hakamadan nilakai jongka Byrnihat Sport Association lawan berpenhap perda yaka ne kalempung lakai kriket dauba Renal Kharkamni Presiden Karibohai District Cricket Association kumukongsan hakajinga don laru uba Jeffrey Kamden Sekretari Karibohai District Cricket Association uba Jesslyn Sengkli rangba shnong ka Byrnihat proper usamla Vigian Kharkongor Presiden ka Friends Forever Youth Club bat uba Eling Star nongrum lembat kiwe kiru rangba bat kiru pakmat kathan Byrnihat nakaliang ka Friends Forever Youth Club kum kawei ka senjuk ki khun samla kathan Byrnihat kila shem yakane ka senjam ban pelong yakane kalempung ya ka kriket ka bolong ru sibenta bat ketiu ikisap ilakai ki khun samla jokane kathan la samru ikusnam hakane ka sngi hakaba ka kunhun ladu ka Umling XI Youth Club kalayo ban khung ya ka song pisa ka bolong laipu hajar sispa tengka bat ka trofi ka Byrnihat Amjok kalayo ya kasong pisa kabakat arajar sanspa sanpo tengka lembaka trofi la samru yaki kusnam shimet hakaba ya kana man of the match lara dau dibarkhan man of the tournament lara dau washtap hazarika fielder of the tournament Jitender Singh best captain lara dau Francis L Nombri best wicket keeper lara dau Babit Lengdo katba ka discipline team lara daka Harli Bagan B
right play ya support organize dengan dekat tournament ang disisya ketika kam demi di babat agak kriket organize dengan flashing mentala bani tray bani kersan betul yang kriket apa ke dekat state ke dela demi kam tam apa dekat state ke bangi itu ai google ini dulu ba begin Kharkongor presiden bat yoro di noket kam nongka Friends Forever Youth Club ke flashing dengan dekat organize yang dekat tournament but ngangit camp competitive cricket very popular sport in India. Yesterday we had a meeting. We already proposed 3 plays, one Byrnihat, one Nongpo and one Umling. Will construct one concrete pitch, net practice, and all the kids will manage for the coaching, camp, everything we can manage from the district level. So we already decide 3 plays, that is Byrnihat. We already interested Mahadev, Raju, Manoj, and even Vigian can help us to identify the ground so that we can construct one ground here for the practice and we can organize the camp for all the players for this particular area from Byrnihat till Khanapara. Ini gede ki bagi persyak hadin ngasih semai. Because we are only a new elected body, just few months back we only reconstituted the RBTCA. Since 7-8 years, they are not active in organized activities in the state district. So even we have here Vivek, who is just came from the president in Meghalaya. He is from Riboy. He play well. Just now, one more player, Umling, the president of Meghalaya, playing against Arunachal. He already got 2 wickets. This is the thing which we try to promote the players, talented players, to represent the state, to represent the district. Because cricket, when I said, is very popular game, and these people, players, talented players, after they came back, they got more than 1 to 2 lakh fees for playing the state of Meghalaya. I request one more thing, because just 3 months back we already elected a new apex body, which is President Mr. Dani Marat and Secretary Mr. Gideon Kharkongor. But first time I feel that the politics is there even in the cricket also, because everybody look at us because we are the affiliate state of the BCCI from 2018. We see the money. Money is there because the BCCI is the richest cricket board in the world. Jangan Mahadev udiwi ni kita pada napa ke RBCCA Jeffrey kemudian kemudian secretary, Pak Lakista kemudian treasurer, ibu bagian bekam tentang boborom iramas nong nado bajas, Pak Kelah, ibu nong lengkap hanya kapur, min persyak ban kinti ini kesamla lagi. But how January Indon ka inter school kapa apo ka under age kasan sinan nginyo kapa nginyo kan select punya tang berrepresent ya kari boy Hayuta district andre ba ngin persang lu pangindon git camp kapa ngin training gini kena gibakin yo ekalat represent ya kami kaya pagkande ka burong kapa kraw tang gino git kam ikilik pa andre kin kamay ka jakpo na kam ka pagi titre ya kita kasap ka pagi tangin gitin
kubri depan jadi para member di bekit dia akan negasi nado kebetang joko tonen mengenai berpoy saya kata kapong sebangi ibu akan kapanan kum bagi mulai perkat tengok turu batang ba ini kan ilmu kijing semua batang bang perkat nama dah kan negasi lagi perkat jangan ba kane ka permen ni lete ka nandon e kane ka tai ka jingna e hare ka rade ka first time ka rade ka bastin ka banko ka di bagi persen bagi feel di bana smart la rangi punya e kana unong tongan inang kamla amle khaba bat kham tane shushu orang ba baro ki brief ki tip ba tek tek ko maga juya ji apa dia jungi di cricket kali ka way baro ko persen tip football ka ane ko apa thanya di boy kum bagi min tiu pada kerja bukan long awake kerja sport keba baro ini simentalang ini support ini IT lang karena mesti dia di kaman